of less than 20% plagiarism as per Turnitin. These acts are performed purely by trained professionals in unsafe working environment. Please don't try to copy this at home, school, or even in your mentoring sessions. If you have any objections with our content, please write us at We Don't Care Anymore. We are graduating soon at All sections of disclaimer are in Times New Roman and no white forms were submitted during the making of this act.
Okay. It all started on 28th May 2017 when we were just a bunch of over-enthusiastic students sitting in these comfortable chairs and wondering where our destiny would take us to. Having so many questions in our minds such as, will that person sitting next to me end up in my class? Will I ever get placed? And most importantly, do I really want to do MBA? Did you have these questions? And finally, after 2 years of surviving this hardship, here we are standing for the first and last time presenting to you the life of pretty much everyone sitting here. Who are we, Davis?
We are MBA, Managers by Accident. Scene 1. First day near Audi Block. Hey Macha, come down. Let's check for our names. Oh, Stephen Johnson, I am there. Let me check my name. Mustafa Ahmed Khan, even I am there. Da. Let's see who else is there in our way. Reno Cheta. Must be some soft guy from Kerala. Let's see who else is there. Jhashi Shah. No da, it's J.H. Ashish. Hey, look da, we even have Salman Khan in our class. Hey, Salu bhai. Hey, what da? Only male. Are we back in our mechanical engineering days or what? Hey, Potta, lock from the bottom da. Look, F. Lavina, naam nahi, itna pyar. Tring. Hey, Macha, it seems we have to get back to auditorium. Let's go. और इसी तरह हमारे नौजवान पुरुष चल पड़े हैं अपने आइस ब्रेकिंग सेशन के लिए। उनको क्या पता था ये आइस ब्रेकिंग नहीं, आइस ब्रेकिंग सेशन होने वाला है। चिंग 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 चिंग। മലയാളിയാണോ?
അതെ, ആണല്ലോ.
നമുക്കൊരു ചായ കുടിച്ചാലോ?
വാ ചേട്ടാ, നമുക്ക് പോകാം.
So now, coming to the most loved event, the most awaited and the most sought after event. It's not Ushers, not Blossoms, no, not even Ethnic Day. It's our very own Back to School. No, it is Corporate Interface.
Respected professors and dear batchmates, welcome to our Corporate Interface. Today, we are privileged to have in our midst a dashing and dynamic personality. He's a heartthrob amongst the students, the best cheerleader, a certified placement guru, the one who has obliged our Khan to his Gyan. He's also he's president of the renowned Darde Dilon Ki Party. Welcome, Mr. Amit Sharma.
मेरी बेड़ियां पिघलाएगा जितना तू तू खाई तो खाएगा तुझे अपना टाइम आएगा तू मंगाई तो आएगा घंटा लेकर जाएगा
Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words. Thank you very much, sir. It has evidently left a lasting impact on our students. Students, please rise as the dignitary leaves the stage. Students, please rise. Please stand, students. I think it's time I should leave.
स्टूडेंट्स का कोमल दिमाग पढ़ाई, प्लेसमेंट और कमाई के लिए बना है, पर कुछ लोग इसे पार्टी, इश्कबाजी और मदिरापान जैसे बेफिजूल कामों के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं। एक साधारण स्टूडेंट के दिमाग में झांक के देखें तो आपको A1 और ओयो रूम जैसे ख्यालात दिखेंगे, जो कि कॉर्पोरेट बेस के नियमों के अधीन है। ऐसे ख्यालात आपको अपने आइडिया से बहुत दूर ले जा सकते हैं। कॉर्पोरेट इंटरफेस में ना सोए। डिसिप्लिन कमेटी द्वारा जनहित में जारी।
After a year filled with joy and happiness, we move on to the most important phase of every MBA, for which we've been waiting since our birth. It's the placement season. So now, come, let's see what happens during placements.
प्लेसमेंट्स लगाए किसी बड़ा जॉब लगने के बाद स्ट्रेस बड़े शिफ्ट कर कशस को रुलाए।
So now we have all companies on campus, and now we move on to the most grilling sessions of placements. It's the group discussion.
Hello guys, we are from the company Dadi's Kitchen. We are really happy to be here in this campus, and I know you all are very excited. Since we have no other round, we will be organizing group discussion. So the topic for today is Melody itni chocolatey kyun hai? You can start now.
I would like to take this opportunity to start this group discussion because I know I am the MC POC and you guys are losers. So I would like to take this opportunity to repeat the same topic. Moderator, some points, leadership points. Some points by repeating the same topic. Melody itni chocolatey kyun hai?
This is my first group discussion. Before I say anything technical, I just want to know what is this guy doing here? He's already been placed in Pladis. So why is he standing here? I don't understand.
Hi everyone. So I am an introvert. मेरे को कुछ आता नहीं है. मेरे को बहुत डर लगता है and I think I rarely disagree to anything.
I'm from finance, so I'm already an introvert. Although I have combined all of you bigger than me.
Okay, so now it's my turn. So let me take this opportunity to flaunt my one event which I did in Christ. As Amal और स्नेहा तुमने तो कुछ किया नहीं. So it was only me. So now let me take this discussion from baseless to pointless by speaking weird things and not speaking anything.
I'll have to stop you right there because I know you haven't done anything, and the entire M section knows that you haven't done anything in the past 2 years. So now now it's every episode. I don't have any points to speak, so I'll keep on talking just to show the panelists that I am suitable to your organization culture. So I'll drop in some random HR words like learning and development and growth and I really don't have points to speak. Someone please take the mic and start talking. I'm trying to kill myself before I shut up. So please someone start.
Guys, I've just realized I haven't spoken for the last 5 minutes. Now I'll resort to shouting. And I'll point fingers at you, and you also, my lady. Look at my fingers, useless points, my fingers. Well, statistics now. 13%, 14%, GDP. Well, I am sitting here. I don't understand. I didn't say about Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola bested. Coca-Cola.
Hey, it's okay. Don't brag about your Coca-Cola. They didn't even give you a PPO. It's okay. Cycle, cart and all this.
Cart is fine.
Leadership point, we moderate. I'm giving you.
Leadership point should be given to me. I organize.
5 point. Look at my fingers.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much. It was really nice having you people. I just felt like I wasted 5 minutes of my time. Thank you.
अरे यार, ये कंपनी भी गई.
Losers.
तू कोका-कोला के बारे में क्या बोला? क्या बोला?
You know what? I should leave this boy gang to themselves and their empty brains. I'm leaving. Girl power! Girl power! Girl power!
कोका-कोला के बारे में क्या बोला तू? हैं? बोला क्या तू कोका के बारे में? तू होता कौन है? गाँव वाले? Small one. Like, go big banda. I go check out.
Tring. Placements in the Christ University. You have a new company on campus, Madhav Logistics. And after infinite Google forms and aptitude tests, hundreds of GD and personal interviews, finally everyone gets placed in their dream companies. And always, everyone sails to the most happening place on campus. Sorry, it's off campus. It's our very own B-Ward, where you get fresh juices and sandwiches. And you know what else you get there. So let the party begin.
Okay guys, thank you so much. I would like to quickly introduce our managers by accidents. Kalyan Agarwal, Jibin Jacob, Pranay Agarwal, Justin Thomas, Shashank Vyas, Davis Daniel, Mustafa Khan, Stephen Johnson, Ria Jacob. We have in the technical Sheetal and Chinmay. And finally myself, Lorraine. Thank you so much guys. Thank you.